Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best hand mixer for cookie dough. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with the Breville Handy Mix Scraper. If you're looking for a hand mixer that mixes oatmeal dough, egg white efficiently, and mixes cream butter and sugar within 5 minutes, you should consider the Breville Handy Mix Scraper. The 240-watt motor can adjust the speed required automatically to suit the attachment inserted, whether it's a beater, dough whisk, or hooks. It also has a case for storing the attachments. It has 9 speeds and a scrollable thumb wheel to change the speed. It's silicone-coated to prevent scratches in cookware and lower the clanking noise made by beaters on the sides of the bowl. The mixer has a built-in timer and lighter that helps during beating by turning it on so that you can see into the bowl and ensure you mix everything properly. In addition, it has a screen to display the digital count-up clock and the speed level. Braun Multimix. Braun Multimix is a 350-watt powerful and sleek hand mixer. It's very easy to use. It has 2 MultiWhisk beaters that cream butter and froth up egg whites, and 2 dough hooks. It also has a rotating dial that mixes flour and folds nuts into dough. The whisks are easy to clean because they have wider tines than typical beaters. Although it has a storage pouch for dishwasher-safe attachments, it only comes in black. It's a bit shaky when mixing rougher ingredients in the cookie dough, and one has to use both hands to increase speed. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer. Compared to the first 2 models we discussed, this model has a versatile array of accessories. It comes with a whisk, 2 beaters, a spatula, and 2 dough hooks. The low start speed allows you to mix ingredients without splattering. It also has a snap-on case for storing the attachments. It also has a cord that swivels so it can easily be used by left-handed or right-handed people. Which is best? The Breville Handy Mix Scraper is the best hand mixer for cookie dough because it can automatically recalibrate to perfect speeds. It makes less noise when beating dough because of the silicone coat. It also has a timer that displays on the screen so you can easily time your mixing, and a light that turns on enabling you to see into the bowl and mix everything properly. Thanks for watching.